matrices and determinants. So first, let's discuss the definition of a matrices and determinants. A matrix is a rectangular collection of variables or scalars contained within a set of square or round brackets. A matrix consists of m rows and n columns. So we also have classification of matrices. Number one is square matrix, a matrix whose numbers of rows m is equal to the number of columns n. Also, we have a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix, all zero values except for the a0 value for all I is equal to j. So simply when we say diagonal matrix, the lower triangular and the upper triangular zeros, then we have the values on the diagonals. Then we have the identity matrix. So we also have the resemblance of a diagonal matrix except that the diagonal values are all equal to 1, or identity matrix is a diagonal matrix with all non-zero entries equal to 1. Also, we have a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix with all non-zero entries equal to some other constant. So for this example, it could be 8, it could be 7. So that is considered as a scalar matrix. We also have a triangular matrix, has zeros in all positions above or below the diagonal. This actually example is here. We have a triangular matrix. It's either below or above the diagonal. So there are important algebraic operations of matrices. Number one is the equality of matrices. Two matrices are equal if they have the same number of rows and columns and their corresponding entries are also equal. And also, we have the addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition or subtraction of two matrices can be accomplished by adding or subtracting the corresponding entries of two matrices which have the same shape. So we can have an example so that we could able to apply on the addition and subtraction of matrix. So first condition will be a two matrix can be accomplished if the two matrix have the same shape. So in this case, we have 3 columns and 3 rows. Same goes for the second matrix. You have 3 columns and 3 rows. So we can add the two matrix or subtract the two matrix. So simply in adding matrices or subtracting, we simply add the corresponding for this one, this A11, A11. So this is simply 1 plus 3, so on, 4 plus 0, 1 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, negative 3 plus 9, 0 plus 1, and 4 plus 1. So that is simply arithmetic. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Negative 3 plus 9 is 6. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that is for our part 1 of our lecture in matrices and determinants. I hope you've learned something in our discussions and thank you for listening.